Hey, in this video I will show you how to set a countdown timer on TikTok, and it basically works the same way on any phone and on any Android device. So if you want to place your phone somewhere and record afterwards, it's really good. You can set it to 3 seconds or 10 seconds. But before we start, just give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm. Each like helps out the channel a lot, helps us get a few more views. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 13,300 subscribers, which is great, but the goal is to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around this video, or if there's another topic that you want us to cover in one of the next videos. We will try to make a video on it within a week. So to actually create a timer on TikTok, all you have to do is just click on the plus icon for TikTok, maybe flip your camera, whatever suits you. And just before you start, you want to click on the timer option at the top right corner, where your toolbar is. So when you click on it, you have a few options. You have a 3-second and a 10-second timer, and you can switch it to 3 or 10 seconds by just clicking on any of the buttons. So again, from the bottom right corner you have 2 bars, and then on the bottom you have 3 seconds and 10 seconds. What you want to do then is just select a 3-second or a 2-1 or a 10-second one, 3-second or 10-second one. Just click on start countdown, and that's all you have to do. It's actually a very simple method, and it's really good, especially if you're doing some really cool tricks. Maybe if you're using some custom lighting, you're using some holder for your phone or anything like it. It should help you out there. I really hope that this video helped you out. We're uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week. As you can see, here is the timer: 3, 2, 1. So if you appreciate it, subscribe, and if you still have any questions, just let us know in the comment section down below. We try to get back to as many comments as we can. If you are one of the committed people that managed to watch the video all the way until the end, comment down below which country are you watching the video from. See you next video. Bye.